Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the topic workers' participation. Workers' participation means involving the workers in the decision making process of the organization. The concept of workers' participation is workers' participation in management is one of the important elements of industrial democracy. It is a systematic system where employees have a say in the decision of the management. Workers' participation management refers to the participation of workers in the decision making process of the organization. If the organization is planning something for the staff or for the on the functional level, so many times the employees are participated in the decision making process. Next are the objectives of the workers' participation. The objectives of the workers' participation in management are as follows. First, to raise the level of motivation of the workers by closer involvement. If the involvement is high, the workers feel motivated. Second, to provide the opportunity for expression and to provide the sense of importance to the workers. This workers' participation helps the employees or give them the opportunity to express themselves, give their views on different areas, and provide a sense of importance to the employees or workers. Next, to develop the ties, to understand the leading to the better effort and the harmony. It ties the better efforts and the harmony in the organization. Next, to act on a device to counterbalance the power of the managers. It helps in creating the balance or counterbalance with the power of the managers. Next, to act on a panacea for solving industrial relation problem. If there are the problems in the organization, it can be solved through the workers' participation, as they are free to talk about the problems, the solutions, so that the congenial environment can be created in the organization. Next is the importance of the workers' participation. Workers' participation is very important. First, democratic participation in decision making. It helps the employees to participate in utmost level in a free manner, so that they can help in the decision making process. Maximum employer and employee collaboration. It increases the collaboration between the employer and the employee. Minimum state of intervention. Minimum state of intervention means the third party intervention is minimized if workers are free to talk about their problems, about their issues, and help the manager or the organization in the decision making process. Next, realization of greater measure of social justice. It helps in realization of the greater measures of the social justice. Socially, which are required things, they can realize them or they can participate in maximum manner. Greater industrial efficiency. Efficiency will increase if the workers' participation is high. They feel loyal, they feel belonging to the organization. Higher level of organizational health and effectiveness. The level of the organizational health and effectiveness will also increase. Next, the prerequisites of workers' participation. Firstly, there should be the strong democratic and representative unionism for the success of the participative management. These are the required things which are necessary for the workers' participation. First, there must be the union, so that the workers can work in a group manner. Secondly, there should be mutually agreed and clearly formulated objective for the participation to succeed. How much participation is required from the workers, it must be clearly stated. Third, Thirdly, there should be the feeling of participation at all the levels. So it must be taken into the consideration. The workers' participation must be in the equal form in all the levels. Fourthly, there should be the effective consultation of the workers by the management. The fourth one is the effective consultation of the workers by the management. Fifth one is both the management and the workers must have full faith in the soundness of the philosophy of underlying the concept of labor participation. They must have the faith on whatever the decisions has been taken in the organization. Sixthly, till the participative structure is fully accepted by the parties, legislative support is necessary to ensure that the rights of each and other are recognized and protected. Rights of all the workers and employers must be protective. Seventhly, education and the training makes the significant contribution to the purposeful working in participative management. Lastly, forum of participation, areas of participation and guidelines for implementing of decisions should be specific. There should be the prompt follow-up and the action and the feedback. Once the employees are involved in the participation, the actions are also required, whatever the decisions has been taken. Next, levels of workers' participation. There are 5 levels of workers' participation. First is the information participation. It ensures that the employees are able to receive the information and express their views pertaining to their matters of general economic importance. So in which the information is provided to the employees and they provide the feedback accordingly. Consultative participation, here the works are consulted on the matter of employees' welfare such as work, safety, health standards. However, the final decision is always rest at the option of the management and employees' view are only advisory nature, in which in the consultative participation the workers can participate in certain extent. They can give their views, their ideas to the top level management, and it is totally depending upon the management how many ideas or views they consider. Next is the associative participation. Associative participation, it is the extension of the consultative participation, as management here is under the moral obligation to accept and implement the unanimous decisions of the employees, in which the employees and the management are agree to the certain point and the management need to be implement those decisions. Administrative participation, it ensures the greater share of work